Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by putting the schematic where the server or client expects it, then load it immediately with the schematic command. You will need World Edit or a Schematic-compatible mod and correct permissions, otherwise you cannot paste. Once loaded, position your selection anchor and rotate or flip if the build faces the wrong way. Make sure to check dimensions in the paste preview so you don't overwrite important builds. This gets you into the actual placement phase without wasting time on basic installs. Now focus on alignment and avoiding damage. Align the schematic to an integer grid and rotate as needed so doors and redstone face the correct direction. You should preview the paste to detect collisions with existing builds or spawn-protected zones. If anything conflicts, use offsets or move the anchor. Once satisfied, choose a safe paste mode, replace, masked, or move, and paste. You want a clean placement. Slow and deliberate adjustments here prevent big fixes later. Finish by verifying the schematic. Walk every room, test redstone, and confirm entity spawns if included. If you find gaps or incorrect blocks, use World Edit brushes or targeted pastes to repair them. Replace or fill works well for small fixes. If the paste never applied, check server logs for permission errors, confirm the schematic file isn't corrupted, and ensure client and server mod versions match. One key tip: always keep a backup world region snapshot so you can restore quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.